And sure enough, you can actually import your Google contacts if you use this integration here built into Chime. But what if you're constantly working in Google Contacts, you're constantly making little changes on your phone? That's where you want a continuous two-way sync, and that's what PieSync is about. So let me just jump in the actual configuration screen of PieSync so you can see what this is doing. It's the two arrows show what it is. It's a two-way sync. You can actually make it a one-way sync if you're kind of wary of making unknown changes, but most people do set it up as a two-way sync. And you control the sync. It's not this invisible, let's hit a button and wait what happens. No, it's up to you to say clearly, you know what, in my Google contacts, I have these and these and these contacts. In fact, I have a couple of contacts that I've given a label buyers. I may have some other contacts that I've given a label, let's say business. Those are the contacts that I want synced with Chime. Conversely, you know what, actually I do have some contacts in Chime as well. Let's also make sure that they make their way into Google Contacts.